There's a reason why we are market leaders with fast approaching 2 billion global portions consumed. We already have your dream frozen dessert dispensing system, and our mission is to liberate the world from the soft serve machine sanitizing process. Operationally, One Shot is similar to a Keurig of Nespresso coffee pod machine in many respects. Remove the tab, insert the pod, press the button, serve the delicious ice cream, frozen yogurt, gelato, or sorbet. Inexpensive to buy, low operating costs, fast operation, and most importantly, no sanitizing is required. What are you waiting for? Here we are.